slow down and understand. This breath of life, it won't last long, and all these treasured things will be gone. Like grub, coffee, and conversation, when you didn't need an invitation. Living in Texas meant a hard day's work, and you still believed in shaking hands, like when the buffalo roamed the land, and honesty was still the measure of a man's worth. Now why do we hesitate and fill our minds with all this hate? Why do we complain but we don't act? We've come too far, way too fast. Living like this, it sure won't last. And if you wanna change, think back to grub, coffee, and conversation, a little campfire congregation, when we all could find just a little time. And watching Grandpa's tobacco grin through tales of cowboys and Indians, your legacy is filled with the stories that you leave behind. Over grub, coffee, and conversation, under God and one great nation, when we can still call our neighbors our friends, and you still believed in shaking hands, like when the Comanche ruled the land, and honesty was still the measure of a man's worth.